police? No. You can tell it to them. You survived the accident. What? Whose body was it? Whose body? What? The floor. It was the 7 dwarfs, wasn't it?
Say hi, Stevie.
Of course you weren't in an accident. And now it's fucking attempted murder. I'm Sophia. Please. Show it to them. Oh, God.
Vanilla Sky.
This is David Ames. I need help. I have an intruder. I captured an intruder who's entering my home. Oh, God.
Here we are, 20th of March, 2003. The day after the big blizzard has ended. Here at my house we received, I'd say probably around 50 inches. Our neighbors measured it at 50 inches in their backyard. As you can see, we're quite buried. This is the backyard. There's what used to be the dog's house. You can't even see the entrance anymore. Here's the backyard. You can see that fence completely covered. The whole backyard is buried in snow. Quite something. Hey, come on. Go play. Go play. Come on. Go play. Go play. Dude, come on. Get out there. Get out there. Come on. What's the matter? Where are you going? Let's go back inside. Wimp. Here's the front. I've already dug out. Getting ready to go over to Mom and Dad's to help them shovel out. They got some broken trees. This is the front yard. Oh, looks like my tree may have been toast. Hopefully that will recover. Took a look at the street. I had to dig myself a path. The plows still haven't come. When they do, we'll probably be buried again. Luckily we didn't lose many branches here. At least not that I've seen. So that's what the day after our blizzard looks like. Amazing amount of snow. Signing off. On the way to my parents' house, came across the first bit of damage. The local 7-Eleven, the canopy over the gas pumps has collapsed. under the pressure of the snow. So there you go. That's our destruction for the day. We might see more, we might not. We'll let you know. Here we are driving by on our way out. Pretty interesting. And actually the roads are pretty damn good. They did a hell of a job clearing the roads. But the problem was getting to the roads. So. Bunch of fallen trees in this neighborhood. Why? Hard to explain. Why so much damage here and not anywhere like in our neighborhood. Perhaps a lot more snow. I don't know. Wetter snow, maybe. And the street has not been plowed yet. Another branch down in the street. Just branches everywhere. We have to find a place to park. I think we're just gonna turn it off, find a place to park. All right, Mom and Dad's house. They sustained some damage. This tree here, completely a goner. The broken branches on this tree. This elm tree has sustained major damage. Wow, just a lot of it's gone. A lot of damage to these trees. This one's not looking so hot. We're gonna go around back, take a look at the spruce. Cameraman, I mean assistant, follow me. Yep. Well, it wasn't the big blue spruce. It was apparently a different tree. Whether or not you can get back here, doesn't look like it. We'll just go through the back yard. Wow, all these trees are dead. How's it going? Got a little snow here. Here we are again. I made it to the backyard. I'm hiding under a tree. I'm trying to make our way to the back porch here. Schnitzel! There's a tree that's bent over, destroyed. Make my way to the porch. Sorry about that. Wow, major damage to these trees. This tree's probably gonna have to go. That's good though, I thought it was this one. That had been a shame. So let's see if the folks are up.
Hi, Steve.
How you doing? This day after the blizzard.
Doing all right.
Lost a lot of trees.
Yeah,
It's a shame.
Looks like a war zone.
Yep.
See that one there?
Yeah.
Remember that one?
I thought it was the big one.
Oh no.
That's good.
That was almost as tall as that one, you know.
Really?
Mm.
Wow, I cannot believe the amount of trees down just from coal mine to here.
From coal mine to here.
Yeah, just coming down to Pew and on here. Everybody had trees down.
Here too. What
Here.
is? Oh, no, please.
There are so many trees down in your neighborhood. It's incredible.
Aren't you going to work today?
No.
Yeah, it's going.
Well, I'm gonna
Did you
need the keys.
were you able to get to go coal mine?
All right, we've done some work here. I got a big black spot in the bottom of my lens. Let me take care of that. Lens cap didn't retract. Here you can see we've cut down this tree that fell. Nothing left but a stump. We're on a share. We're about to leave. They let us use the snowblower. We're gonna go tour the neighborhood and video more damage. Here, Bill and Karen have showed up, and Mom and Dad. Bill's assessing the damage to
Knock some
tree.
of the snow off. Here, you want this?
Just straddle the top there and start bouncing up and down.
Yeah, like take up Bill.
Hi, Dad. Here.
You guys got gloves?
Yes. You're the one who wandered out there.
Bill, right above your head. What's that brown thing in that tree?
Bill's still trying to
I mean, that's we should have a picture
dig out
of
this
it.
tree.
Look at my apple trees. They had already leaves on, honey.
I know. Wow. Mass destruction, huh? We got
And
off
even the
easy.
big one. That beautiful tree.
a wall here.
Yeah. Don't fall off it.
That's a big step, Bill.
Oh, that's a good picture.
Watch that cord there, dear.
Jeez, would you give me a break on the cord?
Well, we were just concerned about you.
Balls on the post, the light bulbs in the backyard.
Here's
And the snow was
The
right up to
moorheads
them. So
eating
sitting on the top of this snow were
after they just got here.
It looked cool.
Yeah.
Normally you do work first and then you eat, but moorheads have a different.
No,
Bill
they
worked.
worked.
Bill worked, I didn't.
Nerve.
The nerve of him,
The
huh?
nerve.
Sue just called a while ago. She had to be taken to work. Somebody had to get her. She couldn't get out of the neighborhood.
Next door neighbor, they finally came down and plowed, and the entire freaking neighborhood was out shoveling their access to their driveways. Quite the scene. Everybody's out. We gotta just clear this boulder so I can get back into my driveway. Well, we cleared the path. Got the Mustang out.
What's on there?
Now we're drinking beer.
Here.
There's Tucker. Enjoying the cool.
Okay.
What are you doing there, Tucker? Huh? What are you doing? This is a few days after the blizzard. We're up near Evergreen, which got really dumped on.
Yeah.
We're looking for avalanches, collapsed structures, anything
People with
destructive will
distress.
work. Yeah. But for now, we'll
Animals, chickens, goldfish on the rocks.
cows. We'll come back later.
Jeez, look at that.
Just wanted to show the awesome meadow here covered in a blanket of white. What a sight.
Oh, didn't know it.
That's right. All right. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Okay, well, we made it to Evergreen. We were going to go to Alderfer Three Sisters Park. This is what we came across. Not even plowed. We have to try to find a place to park and walk into this thing.
Look at the church.
Morrison and Evergreen, everyone's gotta stop and doodly dag because there's a bunch of elk in the road.
Doodly dad.
Doodly dag. All over the place. Hey there, fella.
I heard there's some elk over there.
Where do you think you're going? Bye-bye. See you later. Alright, one nap.